وَالَّذِينَ جَاهَدُوا فِينَا لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَمَعَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. Those who struggle, look at the word, jihad. Allah used jihad. It's not about fighting. There's no war here. Jahad, struggled, فينا, for Allah. لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا. He will take you, guide you. Don't worry. Wallahi alladhi la ilaha illahu. And I said by his name, if he wants to see it me first, I wanted, and I'm ready to work for it, and I'm ready to give up things for him. You do that and see the wonders Allah will show you. But you want to be in your comfort zone, and you don't want to be different, as beautifully you heard what difference is mean. I lived it also. When you are the only woman, the only, and I'm sure you lived it too. The only woman in that room looks this way. The only woman in that room doesn't speak this way. And I kept on saying, طوبى للغرباء. جاء الإسلام غريبا وسيعود غريبا. Islam came as a stranger and will come back as a stranger. Look around you. Aren't we strangers? And what did he say to you and me and every stranger? طوبى للغرباء. It's a place in Jannah. Don't you want to be that person? Why do you worry? Why do you waste your energy?